Hello guys, so Denmark is known to be one of the most expensive countries in Europe, after of course Switzerland and Norway. But let's just explore how much a software engineer can earn in Denmark. We will look at some major cities, so it would be Copenhagen, Odense, Aarhus, maybe Aalborg. And like compared to your experience, compared if you have like a high degree, if you don't have a relevant IT education. So let's just explore how much a software engineer can make in Denmark. And then of course we will see how much you will actually get after taxes, because Denmark and all the Scandinavian countries are known to have pretty high taxes. So we will see exactly how much you can get after you pay all the taxes in Denmark. So let's dive in. So in order to check salary, let's just go to website jobindex.dk and salary calculator. So here we can just select job title, which would be software utvikler, which is software developer or software engineer. So let's just select this. And for example, in Aarhus, or it's Jutland Peninsula, it would be around 48,800 Danish krona per month. So of course it's before tax. And how they calculate it, I think they based on information in your CVs. So the most amount of CVs have this kind of range. Of course there are even higher salaries, 50-60k, but then it goes down 60-80k or 80-100k. So the average number is this one. Of course we can also change capital area. It's where Copenhagen is located. It would be 47,300 Danish krona. Maybe we can also check Copenhagen itself. It would be also the same, for around 47,300 Danish krona. And of course it can change depending on your educational level. If you have some tertiary education or long-term higher education, it also will increase. Also it depends on your job experience and your management experience. But let's check how much would that be after tax. So imaginary 48,000 krona. You would get on hand, which is called utbetalt in Denmark, 29,300 krona in average, and your tax rate would be 38%, almost 39%. Yeah, it's actually pretty high, but yeah, that's how it is in Nordic Scandinavian countries and in Denmark. Your yearly salary would be 576k Danish krona. I will link this website where you calculate after tax also in description. And of course now we need to transfer that to US dollars, for example, or euro. 29,300 DKK to USD. So it would be around 4,500 US dollars. Or to euro, almost 4,000 euros. So basically this is the salary you would get on hand. So 4,000 euro or $4,500. This is if you are like a good software developer, software engineer, and it's not like a starter salary, but I think it's a salary which you can get with like good proven experience, like at least 2-3 years, and in a kind of like a good company somewhere in Copenhagen or like Aarhus. So it's like a good company. But of course in some like fancy startups or fancy like big corporations like Microsoft offices in Denmark, stuff like that, I think you can get even more. And especially if you go to your tech lead or architect position in your department, of course it would be even more. But that's just like an overview of what you can get. So to sum it up, in Denmark, which is one of the most expensive countries in Europe, a software engineer in a good company with good experience will get around 4,000 euro after tax, or $4,500 after tax. So thanks for watching, subscribe to my channel and hit more likes.